Hi guys, Piotr here, this is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel and it's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we are going to discuss volume-based Bitcoin Ethereum trading strategy. So we are going to try to find the levels with the volume to try to make the trade, profitable trade. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the volume-based strategy, and well, to be honest with you, with the rising prices, there are, in my way, 3 strategies, and with the falling prices, 3 strategies. So that's what we are going to discuss. Well, if we have rising prices and we have rising volume, that could be the buying pressure, meaning that we have the rising trend. If the price with the higher volume is approaching the resistance and without the breaking the resistance, we have the higher volume and rejection, meaning that this resistance is still valid. If we have higher volume and the upside break, when the prices are going through the resistance with the higher volume, it might indicate that we have confirmed breakout and we are going to look for the continuation. So we are going to look for the buying pullback to expect, and we are going to expect higher prices. And the opposite, if the prices are falling and the volume is high, meaning that we have the selling pressure, meaning that we have a downtrend. If the prices is falling, approaching the support, and we have the high volume at the support without the breakdown, meaning that support is valid and we are looking for a bounce, we are looking for the rally off of the support. And if we have strong move to the downside, breaking through the support on higher volume, we are looking for a retest from the bottom, right? Retest of the broken support, which might turn into resistance right now on the lower volume, and we are looking for continuation, okay? So that's the basic stuff. Of course, important to keep in mind that the volume just alone might not be enough to make the trading decision, but there are plenty of traders around taking their trading decision solely based on the volume. So right now, let's have a look what we have on the chart. Let's try to explain, all right, on the few examples when it comes to the Bitcoin and Ethereum to have a bigger picture, okay? So let's start with the higher volume and the rising prices, like what we have here, okay? And we have here rising volume. So market was trying to go higher, all right? But at some point, at the top of that volume, over here, right, we hit the resistance. So we've seen the high volume at the top of that range, all right, with a little bit of the rejection, and then we've seen prices going lower, okay? Now, we know that that's the resistance, okay? So let's have a look when we were trying to get back into that one. again, the volume was higher, and the volume was also higher when we were breaking through that resistance, okay? That's the key thing over here. Now, what is important, we broke that resistance, okay? So let's have a look what has happened then, okay? We've seen a little bit after the upside break, we've seen the pullback. And what has happened? As of here and here, broken resistance from here, because that was the upside break from here, turned to be the support, okay? And as you can see here, once we touch the support, we've seen the increased volume, meaning that the support was valid, and we've seen the rally out of that. Same has happened here, okay? When we were testing the support, we've seen increase in volume. That's how it works. Let's have a look on the Ethereum right now, okay? And let's have a look what we have here. And we are going to try to find the opposite thing. So that was the support over here, okay? And once we've seen the support being broken, we've seen increase in volume, meaning that that was the confirmation of the downside break, all right? From where we've seen the downside break. That was the consolidation ahead of the break, and once we retest that one, look at this increased volume, and we've seen the continuation to the downside, okay? Very similar situation was here, okay? With the increase in volume, we broke through the support, okay? So that's how the things work. So again, trying to summarize, volume alone might not be enough, but it's a very, very important tool when you are looking for the confirmation if the support or resistance is about to hold, or if you are looking for the confirmation if we have the valid break to the upside or break to the downside. Then you want to see low volume pullback, okay? That's what we have here. For example, break through the support, bigger volume, all right? And then no volume retest of the support, okay? That was also the confirmation that we might see the continuation to the downside. So guys, please do your own homework, do your own research before risking real money. Make hundreds of examples, test how the market is behaving on your levels and what kind of the volume we have. With that being said, wish you great next trading session. See you around. Take care and goodbye.